Hello everyone, Sam is of myforexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video as a midweek recap. Not the week hasn't ended yet, but today is Wednesday night. So let's see what happened since Monday, right? Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. There are a couple of trades still running, so they're not included in that, but in this video. But so this is the first one on the 7th, which was the day opening, what was Sunday actually. Okay, so this was the entry was last Friday and continue into when the market opens up, it drops more a little bit, and then I close it here. So this is on the Sunday, and then Monday was a good one, and EUR-AUD again. This was the one that you just saw, right? It happened here, then it will retrace, and again the same entry, same kind, same setup, and there was another entry here, and around this 55 pip, I closed it. So Euro-Aussie is kind of not moving too much right now, right? Low volume, kind of ranging, but it's still it gives 40, 50, 60 pip trade easily because the daily range is big. So here, pound Aussie, this one on the 8th, it went up because euro was getting weaker, so euro Aussie down and pound was getting strong. So pound was a buy entry here, right? Yellow is above the black, and all the blah blah blah. So this is again not much, 50 pip, low volume. Now on the 8 pound yen is something that is moving too fast, too much. If I can show you this chart here, this is the pound yen weekly chart. You can see here that how pound yen is going to the upside, ballistic, right? So my target when we were going up from here, my target was 48.19, but that is gone long time ago, right? So that is gone, 48.87, 49. All of these are gone. These are gone. So right now we are 51.61. Okay, and I don't think that is going to budge there. So the reason for that is yen weakness. All yen pairs are going up. All yen pairs are going up. For example, if you go and take a look at the yen index, you will understand what I'm talking about. Yen index, and see how fast yen index going up means yen is getting weaker. Look at that. This is this is a 7 minute, so forget about that. I'm going to show you this. Okay, so this is yen index moving to the upside. I say wave 1, 2, and then wave 3, and it's supposed to have wave 4 here, but when? That's the question. It is moving too fast, it's getting too weak, fast, very fast, and it has no end in the, let me see here, okay, 5608, why is that here? Okay, 5626, this high here, right? Let me see the monthly chart here. I just want to show you. See, this is how powerfully this yen index is going up. Yen is getting weaker. Okay, all of these nice levels are gone. So probably next level, I would say, maybe if we bypass this one, this is, what is it? It's a low of 56.24.25. So that's what it is, 56.24. We had, this is 56.26, and this is 56.24, right? So we are at that level here, but we budge here a little bit, but then again going to the upside very fast, right? So 56.08, I don't know where this come from, but I'm just gonna remove it. This was okay, I moved it anyway. So that's gone, and now we are playing around 56.26. Okay, that goes. Then we have next number is this, and then this. So right now it is going up powerfully, and I will do my analysis later on this one. So that is, I just want to show that the reason all yen pairs are going ballistic is that, and that's why I was able to. It was here ranging, here no man's land, and then here the yellow goes above the black, and there was a beautiful long entry, and it went up, right? So this is how 125 pip. And then USD yen, like I said, all yen pairs are going ballistic, right? So this is how the pound. This is big move. I totally missed. Uh, what happened? I forgot the alarm to put the alarm on. So the magic IB alarm, when the setup is cooked, it beeps. So this is how I'm aware of that. But it wasn't there. But here I got it on the 8th. And then on the 10th today, EUR-AUD 20-minute, again, these two I just showed you, right? This one, I didn't take it because you can see that this was like the yellow was just above the black. So I was like, it might go up. But then it came down here and then all the way down. But that happens, right? You missing is much better than losing. So if you miss a trade, don't worry about it. So this is the one that I had it, and I even posted on my Telegram here, this entry here, that this is what it is. I think I made the chart on the 40-minute chart. I made actually that is going down. Let me show you quickly where it is, and then you will see that which one I'm talking about. I made. I think this is the one I made, and I send out to my subscriber on a 40-minute chart that this might happen. So here was my entry here, and then it will start to go down, right? And this is a 40-minute chart, so I took the entry from 20-minute chart, and based on this scenario that we might be going down to 78%, but that didn't happen, and it was like very slow moving. So I said, what the hell with it, close it, because I think that it might go up from here for some reason. Aussie probably gonna get weaker. So let's see what happens. Right. So this is one of them today, and on the 10 pound franc again. Pound is one thing, but the frankie also getting very weak. So it's one big move, retrace again, big move, retrace, and then this one is just I closed. I think it's still running, by the way. Okay, so 60 pips so far, but it's still running. I'm gonna let it run until maybe a few more hours and see what happened. When just before Frankie open, I'll probably close this one. So these are the trades for today. I mean, for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday so far, right? So let's see. I have a couple of going on right now, like Aussie USD I have running right now. So, but not too many pips. So I'm not. I didn't record the chart yet, and there was something else. Right. So once they're done, maybe I'm just gonna make another video of the weekly recap on Friday night. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.